Okay, continuing with the discussion that I've left for designing of a manufacturing. In that I've discussed the thing regarding the Coca-Ium or mistake proofing technology that is also used for improvement of the quality of the product at the initial level, so that the defects in the product can be reduced, and it will help in improving the profit of the manufacturing firm. Now, there is one more concept of design for reliability. You might have heard the word reliability, and whenever we go to the market, we generally ask that whether this product is reliable or not. So there is a concept of guarantee period and warranty period in this. So generally, the shopkeeper doesn't say that I give the guarantee that it will work for 100 hours, but I will give you the warranty from the company that is given for 1 year that it will work. So under this period, the product that is in the market will be replaceable, and you might have seen while buying the LED bulbs and small LED tubes, CFLs, it is written that it will be replaced after 1 year. So reliability is actually what when the product starts performing in the real environment. So that is the term reliability, and warranty is that it will work in that particular period. It's a promising thing. But if somehow it fails, it will be replaced by the company. So generally you might have seen that all the products that we buy from the market, they generally fail after the warranty period. So this is also one of the aspects that is covered nowadays, that is designed for reliability. Now, there is one more concept regarding designing of reliability apart from this, is design for serviceability. Now, what is this serviceability? It is that nowadays when we buy heavy products or expensive products, the company that is selling out, it provides its service for a due duration, free services, and after that it provides the paid services. So this is nothing but the new technology of selling of the product in the market for capturing the customer satisfaction, and it is nowadays utilized by local peoples, local dealers also, in which they cover up the part of maintenance of the product that is selling. So this falls under the category of design of serviceability, which also affects the part of diagnostic, its repairability, so that the customer once attracted in buying a product may not be attracted in some other company's product. So this is also one of the concept, as the whole process is based of the product designing, redesigning, and renovation and innovation, capturing the customer demand. So this is also one of the aspect of designing as far as product design is concerned. So in the coming subsequent lecture, I will be taking much more part of designing also. Okay, till then, bye.